Welcome back to Lupita's cooking show. Today I'm so excited to teach you how to make the first meal of the day. Breakfast! It's Lupita! Did you know the word breakfast means to break the fasting period of the prior night? If you don't know what fasting means, it's a period of time you go without eating. So are we ready to start making bacon and egg muffins? Okay, let's get started. For the ingredients you will need: non-stick cooking spray, 1 can of cut croissant dough, 3 eggs, 6 slices of packaged ready-to-serve cooked bacon, half a cup of shredded cheddar cheese, a 1/4 cup of milk, salt and pepper. You will need the following items: a measuring cup, kitchen scissors, a muffin pan, a plate, a knife, mixing bowl, spoon, and a spatula. Once you've gathered all your items, let's get started. Set your oven to 350 to preheat. Ask an adult for help. First, we will want to coat the muffin pan with a non-stick cooking spray. Laughing out loud, it does not mean to put a coat on your pan. It means to spray it. That is one of those words that in cooking have a different meaning. Open your can of croissant dough, roll out, and press seams together. Cut into 6 squares. Place 1 square in each muffin cup. Cut your bacon into small pieces. Mix eggs, milk, 1/4 cup of cheese until well combined. Now pour or scoop in with spoon into each cup until it's 2/3 way full. Hey, has anyone seen my spoon? I can't seem to find them anywhere. Ah, my friends, the monkeys, you found it! Thank you, my friends, you're all so helpful. And bake for 16 to 18 minutes. Oven is hot, so be careful. Remember to set your timer. When you finish, turn off up and open door slowly so heat doesn't hurt you. Have an adult take it out for you. Use your oven mitts to grab a muffin pan and place on cooling rack for a few minutes. You can now remove them carefully and placing them on a plate for eating. Wasn't that easy and delicious? I had a great time cooking with you. Hope to see you soon again. Remember that being kind is free. Be blessed.